Hi friends, I hope you all are fine. If you feel good today, thank your immune system and give yourself a pat on the back for looking after it. If you have ever wondered what your immune system does and why it's so important, then this video will really help you in this COVID-19 ruling period. In this video, I'm going to tell you some tips for boosting immune system, or what are the tips necessary for our immune system or for our inbuilt defense system, which is really useful in this COVID period, because immune system plays a very important role in building our inbuilt defense system against illness and infection. So what does boosting immune system mean? Just like eating a healthy diet, regular physical activity contributes to overall good health and therefore a healthy immune system. So what does boosting immune system mean? Just like eating a healthy diet, regular physical activity contributes to overall good health and therefore a healthy immune system. Exercise promotes efficient blood circulation, which keeps the cells of the immune system moving so that they can effectively do their job. Yes friends, really exercise promotes efficient good circulation, which keeps the cells of the immune system moving so that they can effectively do their job. An important note, no supplement, diet or lifestyle modification aside from physical distancing, also known as social distancing, and practicing proper hygiene can protect you from developing COVID-19. If you want to boost your immune health, you may wonder how to keep your body fight off illness. While bolstering your immunity is easier said than done, several dietary and lifestyle changes may strengthen your body's natural defenses and help you fight from harmful pathogens or disease-causing microbes. So today we shall see what are the steps to strengthen our immunity naturally. The first thing is get enough sleep. Yes friends, in this lockdown period, most of our sleep hours have been disturbed because of change in our daily routine schedule, that is stay at home. In fact, inadequate or poor quality sleep is linked to higher susceptibility to sickness. Getting adequate rest may strengthen our natural immunity. Also, you can sleep more when sick to allow your immune system to better fight the illness. As an adult, you need to sleep 7 to 8 hours in a day to boost your immunity. The second tip to strengthen our immunity is eat more whole plant foods. You need to have more whole plant foods. Whole plant foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds and legumes, which are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that may give you an upper hand against harmful pathogens. The fiber in plant foods feeds your gut microbiome or healthy bacteria in our guts. So the fiber in plant foods feed your gut microbiome or healthy bacteria in our gut, can improve our immunity and help to keep harmful pathogens from entering our body. Fruits and vegetables are rich in nutrients like vitamin C, which may reduce the duration of common cold. The next tip for strengthening our immunity is eat more healthy fats. So most of us are in the wrong notion that taking fats leads to obesity or leads to some disorders. No friends, healthy fats like olive oil and salmon may boost your body's immune response to pathogens by decreasing inflammation. So healthy fats like olive oil and salmon may boost your body's immune response to pathogens by decreasing inflammation. Olive oil, which is highly anti-inflammatory, is linked to a decreased risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Also, its anti-inflammatory properties may help your body fight off harmful diseases causing bacteria and viruses. Omega-3 fatty acids such as those in salmon and chia seeds fight against inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids such as those in salmon and chia seeds fight against inflammation. Third tip for boosting immunity is eat more fermented foods or take a probiotic supplement. Fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacteria called probiotics, which populate your digestive tract. These foods include yogurt, kimchi, kefir, and natto. These probiotics increases the immunity and are deeply interconnected. Fermented foods and probiotics may bolster our immune system by helping to identify and target harmful pathogens. The next tip to strengthen our immunity is limit added sugars. So whatever food we take, the food should have limited amount of sugars. Emerging research suggests that added sugars and refined carbs may contribute disproportionately to overweight and obesity. So refined carbs and added sugars contribute to overweight and obesity. Obesity may likewise increase the risk of getting sick. Curbing your sugar intake can decrease inflammation and aid to cut loss, thus reducing the risk of chronic health conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. Curbing the sugar intake can decrease inflammation and aids to reduce loss and also reduce the risk of chronic health conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. And the next tip to strengthen our immunity is engage in moderate exercises. So moderate exercise can boost the effectiveness of vaccines in people with compromised immune system. So moderate exercise can boost the effectiveness of vaccines in people with compromised immune system. Regular moderate exercise may reduce inflammation and help in immune cells regenerate regularly. For example, brisk walking, steady bicycling, jogging, swimming, and light hiking helps to promote the healthy turnover of immune cells. Next tip is to add supplement wisely. Add supplement wisely. It's easy to turn to supplements if you hear claims about their ability to treat or prevent COVID-19. However, some studies indicate that the following supplements may strengthen your body's general immune response. So what are those supplements? Like vitamin C. Vitamin C, which are found in the fruits, helps to reduce the duration of cold. Vitamin C found in the citrus fruits reduce the duration of common cold. Next important supplement is vitamin D, is also called sunshine vitamin. The deficiency of this vitamin may increase the chances of getting sick. So the supplement of this may really counteract this effect. Then the next supplement is zinc. Zinc helps to reduce the duration of cold. The next supplement is garlic. So the garlic is one of the important spicy food item we use in our foods regularly. Supplementing with garlic reduces the incidence of common cold. So these are some of the supplements which are easily found in a kitchen and used to protect ourselves from pathogens as well as to boost our immunity. By following these steps, you may reinforce your body's defense against harmful pathogens. I hope this video will really boost your immunity. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.